Still, 70% of India's population lives in villages. We're still said to be a land of villages. Illiteracy, poverty continue to be the excuses rather than just mere reasons for a very much talked about stiff growth. We continue to face the health related challenges, and more than 900,000 Indians die each year from drinking contaminated water or breathing polluted air. Water, which once we heard as the birth of life. The water which they drink contains high level of various organic and inorganic contaminants.
In India today, almost 40 million people are affected by waterborne diseases every year. Primarily, there are two types of contaminants in water. One is biological contaminant and the other is chemical contaminant. In recent years, the problem of chemical contaminants has surfaced, and there are almost 2 lakh habitations in India which are affected by chemical contaminants. There are 5 types of chemical contaminants which are prevalent in India. Those are the top 5 are fluoride, arsenic, iron, nitrates and salinity. Every contaminant will have a different effect, and drinking water polluted by chemical contaminants is as if drinking water polluted with poison. So
they even find it awkward to give a pleasant smile because their teeth are damaged. They cannot stand still for a long time and find it difficult to even rest. Due to crippling of bones, they cannot sit and subsequently fall. Also, due to poverty, they are vulnerable to lack of medical care. For every 100,000 people in our country, we have just about 60 physicians. So if not a doctor, we can surely with our entrepreneurial minds take some action which makes our own country a healthy and peaceful place. We also deserve a normal life. We are responsible for some amount of action. We are. And yes, some of them did take action. NAPL, Nagpur Aquatech Private Limited, has committed itself to working on development of products and technologies for the water quality improvements, especially keeping rural areas into focus. So this gives them the urge to make a difference in people's lives and build an electrolytic defluoridation technology for the fluoride removal. They have also developed reverse osmosis technique for salinity and nitrate removal, and also working on techniques for removal of arsenic and selenium. The vision and ethics of company are based on making products which are sustainable, user-friendly for villagers, and which involve minimal capital cost to spread it across the villages. Now the people in the villages daily consume this water 2 times a day, and as the awareness is increasing, more and more villagers are coming out to the water center. The response from villagers has been positive, and they are using this water for cooking, drinking, and NAPL has also come up with different distribution techniques to provide sufficient pure water to the villagers. The operator daily fills the fluoride-free water in cans and moves around the village to distribute the water so that the villagers don't have to walk frequently to get water every time when they need it.